If your YouTube channel is not growing, you just need to fix 4 things. Just these 4 things. That is the only thing you need to fix on that channel to make it work, to make it start growing now. And you don't need to slack on this. Start fixing these things that I'll be mentioning now if you want that YouTube channel to survive and start growing. Number 1 is your thumbnail. Believe it or leave it, your thumbnail is one major thing you need to work on if you want people to start clicking on your videos. You can't be posting with a dull and uncatchy thumbnail and you expect people to click. Your thumbnail, like I always say, is the only thing that will attract people to your channel, that will make people to click. Make sure you make your thumbnail clickbait and catchy, bright and beautiful. Okay, work on your thumbnail. People might not really know how good or bad your video is, but the only thing that will attract them to click on that particular video is how catchy the thumbnail is. Now the second one is your upload time, your posting time. Trust me, a lot of you make a whole lot of mistake on your posting days and time. You post when your viewers are not online to watch you and you think you can grow. No, when they are not there to watch you, nobody will watch your videos. Make sure you know when your viewers are online and active and you post at that particular time so that they can see your video and watch it. Because if you are posting blindly without tracking when your viewers are online, you might be posting when they are sleeping or when they are busy. Mostly Nigerian viewers, they are always less busy, either in the afternoon or in the night. You can't post for Nigerian viewers when they are in the morning, when they are either on their way going out or when they are busy preparing, or even when they are at work. It will never work. So master your posting time and know the right time and day to post. The next one is your title. Now your title is one major thing that will help your channel to grow. Trust me, a lot of videos are trash, but the only thing that make people to click is because the thumbnail was quite inviting, very catchy and very clickbait. Now that title need a whole lot of work. Make your title anxiety driven and full of curiosity that will make people to click and know what is happening. Like I see a lot of boring video but with catchy and anxious title, and I'm like, okay, let me see what this video is about, and I'll click, and at the end of the day it's not even worth it. But yes, I've clicked and it have counted. Okay, because they worked on their title. Work on your title. Title goes hand in hand with your thumbnail. How strong your title is the only thing that will make people to click. Work on your title and your thumbnail. Very, very important. The fourth one and the last one is your video quality and value. Trust me, even if I click and you just manage to persuade me with your catchy thumbnail and your curiosity driven title, and I click, and when I'm watching it's not worth it, it's not giving value, and the quality is nothing to write home about, trust me, I will not come back. And by doing that, your channel is not growing. It's not really helping your channel at all, because you don't just need that one time click. You need people to always click and come back to you whenever you post new videos. That is how you know your channel is actually growing. So make sure you work on your video quality. Give us quality content. Okay, give us quality. It doesn't matter how long or short it is. If it has quality, is fun and entertaining and have value, trust me, people will always come back to watch. This 4th thing is all you need to do on that channel if you want it to work. The first one, don't forget, is your thumbnail. The second one is your posting day and time. The third one is your title. Work on your title. And the 4th one is your video quality and the value is given. This 4th thing is the only to add to that channel to make it very, very delicious and to make it survive, start growing, start getting that visibility that it needs. Okay, so if you are going to do this, trust me, it's really going to worth it, and you come back to thank me for exposing these 4 things you really need to work on. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Remain blessed. I love you. Bye.